Hey guys, so my car won't start, so I had to walk. God. And it's a little chilly outside, so I put on a jacket and stuff, and I'm a little bit annoyed because this wig that I'm wearing, it's like, see, it's lifting, and I really need to tighten it, but I don't feel like it, so yeah, it's actually cold today. Anyway, I left work a little bit early because I wanted to return something, but I'm glad I left early because now I have time to walk, and I need to walk. Hey guys, just got off work. It's another night, walking through 6th Street. My lipstick somehow stayed on though, throughout the night. I only had a smoothie because I'm really trying to lose the weight, guys. Seriously, so I've walked almost 3 miles today. I walked to work. That was like 1.3 miles. Now I'm walking back home. Usually I don't take 6th Street though. It's weird. Like, I've been really trying to avoid it. There's the police. They always have their little smelly old dogs. I mean, horses. And yeah. Anyway, I just got on my little coat. Everybody out here is... Nobody wants to go out, whatever. Anyway, I'll talk to you guys when I get back home. I'm so tempted to go drink right now. Oh. I think I may go do it. I don't know. But if I drink, I'll be gaining weight. I'm gonna leave it. It's okay, I'm just gonna stay home. I think I'm gonna... I've already walked 2 miles. I'm wondering if I should like hit up the gym or not. Ooh. I don't think so. I'm gonna wait. I think my face is even getting slimmer from like one day of just walking. I don't even know what I look like slim. It's crazy. Just made it home. Went to the elevator. Let's see. Like, I'm so tired. I still have this dumb braid. This bra is too small. This double D, see? I'm like spilling over. It's really uncomfortable, so I'm gonna have to give me a triple. I know I talk a lot about bras, but I'm so not used to like wearing them that now I need one and I don't feel like doing it because I'm lazy. So happy to be back home. I'm gonna try not to eat. Literally losing weight is like consuming my life, but I can't help it. I know it's like all I talk about, but until I lose it, I can't help myself. Home, home, home. Hey guys, I just took a shower, so I'm headed to bed. I don't know what that glowing thing is doing here. It's strange. Anyway, yeah, I'm really tired, so I'm gonna call it a night. I have to work tomorrow. And I think I have hair in the morning, but she hasn't confirmed, and I hate when they do that. It's like, I've done her hair so many times over the years, but like, she doesn't confirm sometimes. Like, she'll just show up. That's really annoying. Anyway, I won't think about it, but yeah, I have cocoa butter under my eyes. That's why it looks like I'm crying. I'm not crying. My feet kind of hurt, but I wore better shoes this time when I was walking. So yeah, it makes a difference wearing sandals and walking a mile and then working and then walking another mile back makes a huge difference. So I wore my shoes that have my insoles, but I may need to do double insoles because the shoes are kind of big on me. And I wanted to make sure they were big enough, but they're too big for me. Anyway, I had a good day at work. I did not eat a lot of food. I had a smoothie and that was it. That I made myself, so I knew what was going in it. I don't really like the smoothies there because they're pretty unhealthy, but I really tried to just add like fruit to mine and you know, some orange juice and stuff. But I don't like the smoothies. I mean, they taste good, but I prefer my own because I know what's going in there, and I don't use like a lot of juice whenever I do mine. And I don't use cocktail juice either, so that was kind of frustrating, but whatever. Anyway, I'm gonna go to bed, so I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. Bye.